Wiren battery rack. Now, this is a nice, stable budget rack that allows you an easy way to hold 6 rack mount batteries. Now, one of my favorite things about this rack is that all of the hardware is exactly the same bolt. You get a big giant bag of these bolts and you take the bottom platform and you attach the casters to it, you attach the vertical rails to it, and then you come back and attach the horizontal rails with the same bolt. It's a nice, big, stable rack. It has good powder-coated metal, good solid steel with pre-installed threads on every location, so you're not doing standard rack mount clips to hold things in. And of course, as you can see here, you can install multiple batteries. There's nice breathing room between them. It allows for easy paralleling with the cables that come with the batteries, and they bolt right in and everything seems to fit. Now, it is a little bit of adjustable, as when you're bolting this down, you have a bolt at the top, 2 bolts down here at the bottom that hold the vertical sections in, and then when you start putting in the parallel bars across like this here, then you just need to make sure that you put all of the bolts in before you tighten it down. Let's talk a little bit about some of the benefits of this rack. The price is the first one. This thing is extremely inexpensive at about $187. It is extremely budget friendly and very good quality for the budget price. It is sturdy, strong, powder coated, 1 set of hardware, no complications, great aesthetics, looks good where it is. Now let's talk about some of the things that I wish had been a little bit different. One, the EG4 batteries or a lot of other batteries will not fit because of the way these screws come in here from the side. Unfortunately, when you go to put in a regular sized battery, these are a tiny bit more narrow than your other batteries. And when you go to put in something like a EG4 battery, it extends up into this little bolt right here and prevents you from being able to insert it in every slot except this top slot. You can't insert one into this top slot. Now, it's a budget battery made for this brand, so that's not really surprising that it's not 100% compatible with other ones. The next downside, or the next thing I see that I would like to see, is there are no bus bars. I suppose you could mount one or something in this, but this is made of metal, so that would be kind of difficult. There's really no bus bars or place for real good wire management. Again, it's a budget rack made for easy access, great ventilation, and for me here in the solar shed, it's even more wonderful because it allows air to breathe and go through it. It does not have doors, it doesn't have sides, none of that stuff to get in the way, so you have great, easy access to your batteries. On the downside, if you want to protect it from children or animals, or you're in an area where you need to do that, then this probably isn't a good solution for you. Now, going back to the positives, it is $187 as it's listed right now, and the EG4 variation is in the $750 range. So there is quite a bit of a price difference between this one and the EG4. Now, the EG4 does come with doors. It's a full enclosed panel rack. It has 600 amp bus bars on the 6 battery version and 300 amp bus bars on the 3 battery version. So there is quite a bit of a difference. But If you are looking for a good solution here for mounting your Wiren batteries, well, this would be it. Inexpensive, easy to assemble, comes in a nice package that's a nice flat box that is easy to open and put together in a few moments. And all the hardware is just one bag of the same size threaded bolts that can easily be replaced or supplemented by your local hardware store. Great choice. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one when we talk about the batteries themselves, capacity test, what do they look like on the inside, and how do they perform. So tune in for the next video talking about the Wiren batteries. We'll see you there.